Hey everyone. So, as we have started the computer networks and internet protocols, in that we have already covered the very first topic, the what is the internet. I have also made a separate playlist for computer networks. You can check out there. So, in this one, we are going to discuss what is network edge and the network core. These two topics are discussed in this video. The first topic, network edge. Network edge is an area of network where a device like computer, laptop, servers are connected. It is a place where the users and applications interact with the network before the data gets passed into the network core. It consists of all the end systems and access networks that connect team to the internet core. This network edge lies between the endpoints and the core of the network. The internet end systems are nothing but PCs, mobiles, IoT devices, etc. As they run application programs such as a web browser program, etc., they are referred as the host. A network edge has various access networks like DSL. So DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. It is a technology that provides internet access over regular telephone lines through copper wires. It can transmit data and voice at the same time without any interference. It uses existing telephone lines and it has high frequencies. It is faster than the dial up and slower than modern fiber or cables. It is faster than the dial up but slower than modern fiber or cables. If you are far from the telephone company control office, then you get slow DSL speed. DSL further has types like symmetric DSL, asymmetric DSL, etc. So the next one is FTTH. It stands for fiber to the home. FTTH is a broadband technology where the optical fiber cables run directly from the ISP, Internet Service Provider, to an individual home, apartment, or a building. It has OLT, ONT, optical splitters, etc. as the components. It is faster than the DSL. Also, the data is transmitted in the form of light signals. As we have seen in DSL, the data can be transmitted through copper wires, but here it is transmitted using light signals. So the flow of internet or the light signals happens in this way. ISP control office to OLT, then the splitter, then the ONT in home, then the Wi-Fi, and then it reaches to the devices. Ethernet, we know about it. It is a network technology that connects devices in LAN using frames, cables, and protocols. It is a standard wired technology. And Wi-Fi, we know very much about it. It stands for wireless fidelity. It is a wireless networking technology by which devices can connect to LAN, local area network, without any physical cables. So it is a wireless technology. So this is our very first topic, and let's move to the next topic, network core. The central high-speed pathway of computer network. It is also known as the backbone of internet. It connects different access networks and carries data packets from the source to the destination. It consists of high-speed and powerful routers and switches connected by speed links like fiber optics cables for maximum speed and reliability. It has some key characteristics like the network core contains routers, optical fiber links, switches, and high capacity infrastructure. It doesn't run application or user servers. It uses them directly. It happens at the network edge. It uses packet switching mainly. Network core has some key functions like routing and forwarding, the determination of best path that a packet should take through the network. That is routing. The moving of data packets from one router to the destination or the next destination is known as forwarding. Packet switching. Data is broken down into packets and forwarded along the path determined by the routing. High capacity and reliability. It supports heavy traffic loads with minimal delay. Network core plays a backbone and gateway role by carrying traffic efficiently between points, and it provides access to other networks and services. Let's understand this with an example. So if you want to send a message from your laptop in India to a server in US, so this is the flow that happens in the backend. So laptop is an edge device. That particular message reaches to the local internet service provided access network and then to the network core. Those are undersea fiber cables connected between countries. The message reaches to the destination ISP network and then to the server in the US. And that's how the network core works, and the message flows from one place to another. So these two topics are very small and they are more on the theory side. So in our next video, we'll be discussing delay, loss, and throughput. So that's it for this video. Keep learning.